Yan na, umpisa na guys. Ayan lang naman ako, yan o. Ayan guys. Ayan na, bullseye. Nakawala. Sayang. Terrence man. Dali na, deadly. Yahay! Copy. Dali siya ngayon. Oh. Wala yan si Luka. Sop yan. Wala pang Kawhi Leonard dyan. Oh. Goal pending. Wala na. Mahirapan yan si Luka boys. Oh. Kasi namama siya. Magbakaw ka na lang. Oh. Para dumami score mo. Oh. Si Luka hindi naman nananalo lang yan. Nagbabakaw eh. Oh. Ayan. James Harden. Bullseye. Tagang. Ayan na. Kyrie Irving, pagtutulong-tulungan ng mga defensive player ko dyan. Ayan o, Clippers lang naman tayo guys. Die hard dyan. Woohoo! Boy, nakashoot. Okay lang yan. Basta naman, si Kawhi Leonard, wala pa yan. Nakikiramdam pa yan. Kaya ako Clippers dahil kay Kawhi. I'm number 1 fans of Kawhi Leonard. Bullseye! Bagag! Sana wala naman injury dyan sa tatlo. Okay lang yan. Ay, lalalay! Ayan na! Oh, shoot na yan. Wait lang. Yes! Alay na si James Harden. Kumakamada na. Ina-interview na si... Pero mga nanalo din siguro yan. Hindi pa ngayon. Yan na, isa pa yan. Deadly. Powell. Palpal si Terrence man ko. Okay lang yan. Tambak guys, tambak guys. Clippers lang naman tayo guys. Bullseye. Wala na. Tanim mo na. Magbilang ka na. Harden again. Alay, ano ba yan? Ayan na oh. The beer. Bullseye, bugag. Westbrook. Love it. Ayan na. Oh, di ba guys? Oh, Clippers lang naman tayo guys. Oh. Ito ang number 1 fans ng Perth, Australia. Oo. Bullseye again. Tagag. Sweet shooter. Si Kopi pa. Puro 3-pointer rin nandiyan. No? Maliban kay Subak eh. Oo. Ano da? Pabawi ang pagdating sa court nila. Sa Dallas. Wala pang Kawhi Leonard dyan. Nagre-reserve pa yan. Ay. Tumitira pa si Paul George. So. Kopi pa, dagang. Yan ang shooter. Kyrie Irving. Mahirapan ka dyan. Mahabol ah. Instead of taking the three, cruises in, misses the body, but Irving there. And Ty Lue wants another timeout. Westbrook off the bench. Finds man in the corner. He got it. Nice. Nice, Terrence man. Big one. Rapers lang tayo. Ayan na si Kalashwado.
From Dallas, Doncic rattles in the mid-range. George right around Luka and it gets denied. Gafford on the rejection, but Zubac there to clean it up. Irving dancing and
Ooh, lupit.
he's a highlight wizard. Here's Powell lobbing it up off the window and Zubac will place it in. Westbrook into the arms of man who flushes it down.
Yaking yaka.
He got it.
Manalo kaya tayo guys. Pero tambak eh. Mula mananalo na rin naman tayo guys.
Irving
Saka home court advantage tayo.
three, going for the 2-for-1. He has 20 points in the corner. To the corner man. To the shoot. The fire.
Well, there's no switches. Comes the base and the close. That's what I do, and just being physical.
Harden leaving. Plumlee gets denied by
So,
Lively. It'll stay with the Clippers.
Ayan guys, galingan nyo naman.
Plumlee gets blocked again by Lively. Here comes Doncic. Josh Green getting minutes. Shovels to Hardaway for two.
And I love Josh Green's intensity. He got out there on that floor.
Westbrook rattles in a three. He's 2 for 3 from downtown in this game. Doncic. Doncic left alone. Cut it. And LA needs a timeout.
Woo! Relax lang Paul George ha. Baka may injured tayo. Relax lang.
In this game, just 5 of 15 from the floor. George fading and dropping it in. Some big buckets throughout
Kuya.
the game from Paul George. A timely moment. Doncic.
Doncic, wala na yan. Magbangaw ka na kasi.
28 points now. George.
Kuya.
He got it.
Tatawa-tawa ka dyan kuya.
Dallas has gone small
Oh.
again, man.
There's man again. Yan, oy, ay, ay.
Doncic trying to take Zubac. Step back jumper is true.
Hey.
Doncic, who has 31 now. Luka draws 2, slips to Washington. 1 to shoot. Washington puts it in. It's a 14-point game. 10
Ano na? Tambak na kuya.
in a deep 3. You bet.
3 minutes na lang.
Here's Irving, who has 28. Irving
Irving. 3 points. Oh, makadikit pa kayo. Nga 10 points pa. Oh, ayos lang.
in this second half.
Wala na oras. Oh, 1 minute na lang.
Back iron, no. Gets it back. Drops it underneath. Kleba flips it in. It's a
Wow, nakakadikit-dikit pa oh.
1:22 to go. George lets the clock run. His 3. Banks in. Why not?
Hihi. Wala na kuya, binaw na.